Krishna exists for the sole purpose of exchanging love. And I want to talk about this because this is what comes up as the main theme in Krishna's pastimes. There's a story you'll find in Chaitanya Bhagavat. It's really interesting. Mahaprabhu, when he was a little boy, wanted to go to the Ganga to worship the Ganga. Well, he was going to take a bath, and he wanted to worship the Ganga, and he asked his mother, can you get me a garland and some puja paraphernalia? She said, yeah, just wait a moment, just wait a little bit and I'll get it. And when he heard the word wait, he went ballistic, and he destroyed the whole house. Just got a stick and broke everything. And why was Krishna doing that? What's going on here? It was totally under the influence of Yogamaya. And Mother Sachi said, Nimai, this is your house. I don't mind that you destroyed it, but now there's nothing to eat. He said, Krishna will provide. And he came back and gave her some gold, which we just calculated this morning was worth about 3 months of salary, normal salary. The amount of gold he gave her 500 years ago. So, and this was happening all the time, that he would just bring some gold out of nowhere. Why is Krishna doing these things? It's, to the naked material eye, it seems really strange. Krishna does so many things. He leaves the gopis, or he steals their clothes, or he does things which seem immoral. And from the material eye, it doesn't make sense. This one understanding explains everything. Whatever Krishna does, he exists solely for the purpose of exchanging love. He will never do anything which is not an exhibition of his love for his devotee, even when there's difficulty, seeming difficulties in the life of the devotee. It's only to increase love. It's only to exchange love. So that's Krishna's position. That's his eternal position. So whenever you're studying Leela, you're thinking, this doesn't seem right. This devotee is suffering in this way, or Krishna's treating this devotee in this way. Krishna only exists to exchange love. And if you see the Leelas through that vision, then it will become clear. Oh, now I understand what Krishna's doing. This is going to increase the love of his devotees. When Krishna left Vrindavan, it actually increased their love. But it's such a pitiful scene, such a horrible scene. The gopis throwing themselves in front of the chariot and crying, don't go, don't go. And Krishna's leaving, and you're thinking, why is he doing this? Why is he tearing their hearts apart? And in his mind, he's thinking, this will increase the love. This separation will increase the love. And it's true, it did. So this is the thread through all the Leela, that Krishna exists to exchange love, and Krishna engages in Leelas that will increase the love. And now, go to Srimad Bhagavatam, go to the 10th canto. Krishna is enacting so many Leelas, and we get to hear those Leelas. We get to read those Leelas, and what happens when we hear them and we read them? What happens to our love for Krishna? It increases. What happens to our absorption in Krishna? It increases. Even though there are difficulties, Brajbasis are going through all kinds of difficulties. But by the power of Yoga Maya, they don't feel any difficulty. They don't feel any fear, any pain. So from our point of view, we may understand it from a material perspective. But from the spiritual perspective, everything he's doing is just bringing his devotees closer to them and awakening their love. Hare Krishna.